Landslides, often referred to as mudslides or debris flows, are the rapid movement of soil, rock, and debris down a slope. These natural phenomena can range from small, slow movements to large, catastrophic events capable of causing significant damage to property and loss of life. How do landslides occur? Several factors contribute to landslides. Excessive rainfall is a primary trigger. Water infiltrates the soil, reducing its stability. Seismic activity can dislodge slopes, causing massive landslides. Deforestation, mining, and construction can destabilize slopes. Steep slopes are more prone to landslides. The type of soil and rock influences landslide susceptibility. Environmental impact. Landslides have far-reaching consequences for the environment. Landslides strip away fertile topsoil, leading to reduced agricultural productivity and land degradation. Sediment from landslides can clog waterways, harming aquatic life and altering water quality. Landslides can destroy forests, grasslands, and wildlife habitats. Increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events due to climate change can exacerbate landslide risks. Mitigation measures. While landslides are difficult to prevent entirely, certain measures can mitigate their impact. Planting trees helps stabilize slopes and reduce erosion. Monitoring rainfall, seismic activity, and slope stability can provide early warnings. Careful consideration of land use can minimize landslide risks in vulnerable areas. Retention walls and drainage systems can help stabilize slopes. Understanding the causes and effects of landslides is crucial for developing effective prevention and mitigation strategies. By working together, we can reduce the devastating impact of these natural hazards.